In the afternoon, we went to the science center. It looked very big. I looked up at the building. I felt amazed.
Look, Tom, that is the main entrance. I saw the ticket booth. Many people waited there.
We bought our tickets.
Yes, and we held them carefully.
Then we walked inside together.
The hall felt very wide.
The lights were very bright.
Everything looked modern.
I saw a robot display in front of us. I stopped suddenly. The robot was huge.
I noticed your surprise. I smiled when I saw your face.
The robot arms moved slowly and smoothly. I took photos with my phone.
I read the sign next to the robot.
I looked very closely at the machine. We walked slowly along the exhibits.
Yes, we did not hurry. I listened to the explanation nearby. I tried to understand everything.
I stood quietly and listened. I held my notebook and remembered new words.
Then we saw the exit sign.
At noon, we went to Subway. I was very hungry. My stomach hurt a little.
I laughed softly when I saw you. We looked at the menu together.
I ordered a chicken sandwich.
I ordered a beef sandwich.
I chose iced tea.
I chose cola.
We paid at the counter. I kept the receipt. We sat down with the tray.
We unwrapped the food.
We ate together.
The sandwiches tasted good. Our cups were empty after lunch.
After lunch, we walked outside again. It was hot, so I wiped my forehead.
I walked calmly beside you.
Then we arrived at the museum. We showed our tickets.
The staff checked them.
We entered quietly.
We respected the place.
I saw many paintings on the walls. I read the labels carefully.
I stopped at one painting I liked.
I took a photo of you.
I smiled for the picture.
The gallery felt quiet and peaceful. I stood still and looked around.
I watched the painting closely.
The room was very calm. I nodded slowly and understood a little.
I saw a bench in the corner.
We sat down together.
We rested quietly.
We took deep breaths.
We felt relaxed.
Then we stood up again.
We felt refreshed. We walked to the exit door.
In the evening, the bus arrived. We got on the bus.
It was crowded.
The seats were almost full.
We stood close. I looked out the window.
I waved outside before getting off.
I smiled back at you.
The bus stopped.
We prepared to leave.
I got off first. The bus drove away slowly. I walked home in the evening. The street lights turned on.
I arrived near my dorm. I stood at the entrance quietly.
I opened my door and went inside. I dropped my backpack on the floor.
I entered my room and closed the door. The bed looked very comfortable.
The lights were dim.
The room felt calm.
We sat quietly.
We thought about the day.
I lay on my bed and rested.
I sat at my desk and opened my notebook.
I smiled because I felt proud.
I closed my notebook slowly.
The clock was near midnight. I stretched my arms. I felt confident and calm.
Practice helped you today.
Now I can talk about yesterday.
Yes, you are ready.
Good night, Ashley.
Good night, Tom.